So, my brother, how are you doing tonight?
Good.
Yeah, that's good enough for me.
Hello, my name is Stevan, and I would like to talk about how the grace of God saved me. So at the first camp at Salo, I just really went for my friends and the vibes. Then this camp, I didn't take it serious for the first and second. And then on the day, I asked Stevan to pray for me. And then it really touched my heart, and I started to lock in. And when the songs came in, my hands started to rise, and my tears started to fall. And I realized this is God's love. And I felt the presence of God within me. And I am glad to say hell has lost another one.
Yes.
And
Hey, hell lost another one.
I am free. And one more thing I learned from camp is good people don't make it to heaven, only believers do.
Yeah! Give me a hug, man. Oh, my God. Hell lost another one.
I am free. Oh, I am free.
Yes! Yes!